Hello beautiful people and welcome back to this messy station here. As you can see, this is the character that I'll be working on next with this miniature piñata. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and please like and subscribe. Thank you! For the project I'll be using some black and red streamers and some white. So I got this black for the eyes, the white for the eyes, and the red I covered up the whole piñata. Bueno, gente hermosa, ya terminé con la carita de Spider-Man. Here you have it. Now I'm going to continue on. I'm going to cover up the back side with, I'm thinking either streamers or maybe I'll just try to draw the spider back here in the back of his head. And then maybe I'll just add streamers in here. Keep watching. Let's see what I come up with. Okay, Spider-Man lovers, I went ahead and went with the spider. Trying to draw that spider here. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, beautiful people, this is as close as I'm gonna get to the spider. I think it looks about right. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below, please. Here's a little tiny miniature piñata of Spider-Man. Alright, so I decided to go with the black streamer confetti thing around the piñata. And this is how it's looking. Now I'm thinking I should have, on the back side, you guys, I could have done Venom. Spider-Man here and then Venom back here. But instead I went ahead and I put the spider, which is still cute. So I'm going to continue to fill in these spots here with some red streamers. And it'll look more like a piñata. As always, stay blessed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for viewing the videos that I've been putting out. And continue to watch. Let's see what happens next with Spidey. Here's the Spider-Man stick. And Spider-Man is not the only one that gets his hands sticky. Look at all that web there. Hey superheroes! Here is my DIY miniature piñata of Spider-Man. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please share, like, and subscribe. With great power comes great responsibility. Good old Spider-Man. Until next time, bye-bye.